Siyam na paaralan ang lumahok at nagpakitang gila sa NCAA Season 100 Cheerleading Competition kahapon. Pero sa ika-6 na pagkakataon, nadaig ang galing ng Arellano University Chief Squad. Bagamat may isang stunt sila na hindi nagawa, nag-uwi sila ng 100,000 pesos na cash prize.
I-expect ako na kayang-kaya pa rin namin mag-champion dahil sa skills and difficulty ng mga ginawa namin. So team ko, thank you so much. Especially sa sacrifice nila, sa pag-intindi nila.
Ang tinig ni Lucky San Juan, head coach ng AU, Chief Squad. First runner-up ulit ang Altas Perp Squad ng University of Perpetual Help System Delta na may 75,000 pesos cash prize. Second runner-up naman ang Letran Cheering Squad na may 50,000 pesos na cash prize. Kabilang sa bumuo ng panel of judges, ang distinguished cheerleading coaches and judges, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas kundi maging sa International Teams and Cheerleading Association.
The cheerleaders are always present during competitions. Mapa basketball, volleyball, badminton, lahat yan, nandun sila because they're the ones who drum up interest and provide extra oomph when it comes to the competition. So this is their ultimate showcase. That's why it's very important.
Ang tinig ni Hercules Calyanta, NCAA Season 100 Chairman. Naroon din kahapon si Senior Vice President and Head of GMA Integrated News, Regional TV and Synergy, Oliver Victor B. Amoroso at ang buong Management Committee ng NCAA.